Oh, we have a good one for you today. Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach inside an awesome small Class C RV. This is the 4Winds 22Z E-Spec Essentials, coming in at 24 feet, 1 inch in length. You get a queen bed in here. So you're gonna have sleeping for 4, seatbelts for 5, and you can just go anywhere because it is just a nice, compact RV. One slide, we'll show you that when we get to the bedroom. Want to talk about your living area first because you do have a lot of room in here. Remember, the only slide is the bedroom. That's it. In here, you can just set up camp, go to town, whether you want to eat some plastic fruit on the go, put your cups right in here, or make this into a bed. Real easy to do. Push the handle, fold it down. You're good to go after you slide your cushions. The blind is in place to keep that sun out so everybody is nice and cool. And in a motorhome like this where you have the one roof AC when you go out on an adventure and it's a bright sunny day like today, go ahead and close all of your blinds. It's gonna help that AC run a lot more efficiently, the more you know. As we look around, another place to sleep right up top. 800-pound capacity in the over-the-cab bunk. You can throw the ladder in there, sleep up there, have a great night, watch the smart TV, maybe turn your phone into a hotspot. Real easy to do these days, which is actually really, really cool. And then you take and you watch whatever you want. There's a vent fan up there, privacy curtain. So this is really, it's kind of a hangout. Not a place to hang out when you're driving. Kids, I know you're tempted. Mom and dad, don't do that. Be safe, right? That's why we have 5 seatbelts in here. 2 of those seatbelts are the passenger and driver's seat. We have this upfitted on the Ford chassis. You can also get this on a Chevy chassis. Both are gonna have nice, beefy, powerful V8s under the hood. No matter what you get, you still get all the bells and whistles of a great infotainment center, Sirius XM satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It is all there. And look at the cup holders, right? Think of all of the delicious, refreshing beverages you could have on the go. And then if you think, oh, I need to use the bathroom, you got one. And we'll show it to you after we walk through this awesome kitchen. Flip out counter space. Flippy-doo, there you go. Extra counter room here. This is gonna be your control panel, real easy to use to monitor the hours on that 4,000 watt gas generator. Start it from here, tank levels, water pump, everything you need. Turn on the water pump when you are dry camping, and you turn on your faucet with the pull-down sprayer. You wash up some dishes and then you store them right up here. This black bag you're gonna get with your 22Z when you purchase it. It's got all the information, warranty information. Go ahead, read all the manuals. Very important that you do that and then send in all those warranty cards. 2-burner gas cooktop, need your propane on for that. Microwave with a dehydration and an air fryer button, so you can do anything you need to do in this convection microwave. Lots of storage in here, and then a quick little step up, and here we go. Fridge and freezer, 12-volt fridge and freezer. You have that 4,000 watt gas generator on board to keep that battery charged so everything's gonna stay cold. And then, trying to think of the best way to show you this super awesome closet. How about we do this? You can open it from there, store some goodies from here, and then you can scare the kids. Hey kids, what do you want for dinner? They'll never see it coming. But look at all the room in here. Hanging space, the ladder for the bunk is right in here. That's gonna take us right into this nice little corner bath, which is accessible when you are on the road with that slide in. Everything you need in here, toilet, sink, counter space, storage, shower, skylight, tankless hot water. Yes! All that in a bathroom on a go. All the tank sizes are in a graphic right now at the bottom of your screen so you know your capacities. That is important to know when you are out on the go, especially if you're dry camping. Here is our one slide right here, queen size bed. You just put the slide out with the control panel and away you go. Super comfortable, right? So you do need the slide out. It's a flip up, not a storage compartment. Don't store things down there, kids. But you flip that up and then you put the slide in. And if you need to sleep with the slide in and they don't allow slide out, if you're dry camping somewhere or you're just pulling off in a parking lot again, that over the cab bunk. And that is the inside. You have TV prep back here. You also have solar prep on here. So if you'd like to add solar, you can. I'm gonna put this down so Mr. Shaw can walk outside and we'll take a look around the 22Z. Woo, it is sunny out here today. How about we put out that awning? We can put that out. And now we have a nice shade over our campsite. Little storage down below here. Nice screen door, you can let the breezes in. Look at this, nice, compact, easy to travel. You have a steel bumper on here. It's fantastic. It is the 4Winds 22Z E-Spec Essentials Package. You can get the MSRP and build your own right now at thormotorcoach.com.